Purity levels are optimal.
Purity levels are optimal.
Logged and approved.
All raw materials are stored in climate-controlled conditions. This guarantees the highest level of safety and purity.
Measurement complete. Process finalized. Digital sensors monitor temperature, viscosity, and ingredient consistency throughout the entire production process.
Every carton is automatically weighed. Systems cross-reference the precise data instantly. This ensures absolute accuracy for every shipment. The verified cartons now reach the palletizing stage. High-speed industrial robots take over to build the shipping loads. Cartons are stacked with robotic precision into tight geometric layers. The completed pallets move automatically to the wrapping station. Here, a layer of protective plastic film is applied securely. This ensures the load is stabilized and protected for transit.